Encik Mojuntin Ibin, Pegawai Pendidikan Daerah Penampang yang berusaha, Puan Meriong Pikwa, Pengetua Semenang SM St. Michael Penampang, yang berbahagia Datuk Philip Lasimbang, Chairman of the Parents and Teachers Association, yang dihormati Mr. Hector Gintoni, representing the Board of Governors, all senior assistants, head of departments, teachers, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening, Kopi Bosian, dan salam satu Michaelian. First of all, I know you all are very hungry. I'm also very hungry. So I'll try to make my speech as fast as possible. Okay, let me start. SMSM merupakan sebuah sekolah yang mempunyai prestasi terbaik di Sabah, khususnya di daerah Penampang. Kejayaan SMSM dalam bidang akademik dan kurikulum telah menaikkan imej sekolah bukan sahaja di peringkat kebangsaan, malah di peringkat antarabangsa. Kejayaan para pelajar dalam peperiksaan PMR dan SPM telah membuktikan bahawa SMSM bukan sekolah yang calang-calang. Walau bagaimanapun, kejayaan ini adalah mustahil tanpa kehadiran para guru yang selalu membimbing dan mendorong kami ke arah kecemerlangan. Terima kasih, Cikgu. Saya dan rakan-rakan ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada para guru yang amat dedikasi. Pada cuti sekolah, biarpun hari Sabtu, Ahad maupun cuti umum, St. Michael tetap menjalankan pengajaran dan pembelajaran seperti biasa. Hal ini dapat dilaksanakan kerana adanya guru-guru yang amat dedikasi dan begitu komited dengan kami, anak-anak murid mereka. Oleh hal yang demikian, mewakili rakan pelajar yang di hadapan saya sekarang ini, saya ingin mengucapkan sekali lagi ribuan terima kasih kepada semua guru atas titik teluh masa yang dikorbankan, tunjuk ajar yang diberi, rotan dan hukuman yang diberi atas semua teguran, dorongan, panduan dan segala suka dan duka selama 5 tahun bersekolah di SMSM. Semua ini akan terpahat di memori kami buat selama-lamanya. Sehubungan dengan itu, kami tahu bahawa kelakuan dan disiplin kami ada kalanya melebihi batas kesabaran para guru. Maafkan kami, guru, dan ampunkan kesalahan kami. Semua kesalahan kami yang telah lakukan selama 5 tahun bersekolah di sini. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, high school is a place where we learn and gain experience so that we are ready to face the future ahead of us. Every decision you make and do in high school will initiate something in the future. So let us walk down memory lane and look back at the times we have spent together. Let's head back to the first time we first took our step on the grounds of SM St. Michael. Form 1. Form 1 is the time where we felt brand new. New life, new school, new friends, pretty girls, cute boys, new memories, new school uniform, new teachers, and also new experiences. Man, how I wish I could repeat the time. Form 1 was the time where we had to adjust our lifestyle to SMSM ways. Remember waking up so early every Monday and Friday to go to school and go home late for Kokum. Yes, it was tiring, but in a good way. I think it disciplined us so that we will discipline us for the future ahead. I can still remember looking at the clock at class and praying so that class will end fast. I'll be counting. If it's 6 o'clock, then I'll run out of the class and go to the car and say, "Mom, I'm back." Like that. Form 1 flew by so fast, and we entered second year in St. Michael, being Form 2 students. That year, 2012, marked the time of us getting to know and understand more about our classmates. It felt more like a family among classmates that year. And most of all, we were the seniors of the afternoon session. So we were like the paling kuat lah masa tu. Then we began to feel the pressure, the heat and anxiousness as we will be sitting for PMR the following year. PMR was like SPM for a soon-to-be Form 3. While laughing, playing and enjoying ourselves in Form 2, before we knew it, we entered Form 3. PMR for us was like entering World War I, where we had to make sure our swords, arms and armors are all sharpened, and by that I mean our studies. I still remember Madam teaching us in, especially my class 3 Amanau. I used to get scolded for my maths, all that. But then, what I learned from that is that the scolding she gives you is to encourage you and not to put you down. So, Madam, I'm really thankful for what you have done for this. Being constantly told that we were the worst UPSR batch the school has ever received did hurt us, but it did not break and stop us from proving to the teachers that we can actually do it. Form 3 was the year of stress, remember that? Nevertheless, we have conquered PMR amazingly and won the war against it. The long holidays began and a new year was awaiting us. Form 4. The honeymoon year everyone in St. Michael will experience. It was the best year, and it was also the year where best friends' relationships were put to the test. Here we get to know who our true friends really are. Some may have felt that Form 4 is not really a honeymoon year, as they struggled with their elective subjects. But it was too much because it was too much to handle. And for some, it was a time where we really bonded with our classmates. Before we knew it, we're almost done with high school. Then, in a blink of an eye, 2015 came along, and we are finally Form 5 students. 35 days from now, we will be at war. We will be taking our SPM. 35 days. Remember that? The World War II of SMSM seniors. Fighting hard to be the best. We will give our very, very best, right? Yeah. I believe a number of these incidents has occurred in our lives throughout high school. Firstly, best friends leave us. Second, we lost a loved one. Someone lied and backstabbed you. Someone cheated on you. Someone hurt you. Relationships ended. Yes, we cried, we stumble and fall. We stopped thinking about our achievements that we achieve in exams. But wearing our robes today, looking confident and proud has made us into a strong person. We moved on and we have forgiven. And today, looking at all my beautiful and handsome friends in their robes, especially those who I've been with since Tadika, I can't believe that we have been together over a decade and now graduating together. Remember guys, we're almost done. Okay, we are almost done. I will surely, and foremost, I will miss about this school is that I will miss the trips to Kum and racing down from class every recess with my friend Sha'an there, where we race down to see who gets to the canteen the fastest. I always lose lah. Not to forget Kum's very, 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 very yummy egg tart and kochung kacang. Yeah, because I'm very hungry right now, so sorry. I miss going to the toilet using the slippers and also smelling the nice smell of EM juice in the toilet. And also the not so nice smelling of bajak kompas early morning. And many more memories that I will nail in my heart. SMSM is the most beautiful forest I've ever been to in Penampang. Without wild animals, of course, but with a family of tripod, the three-legged cat in school. Guys, before I end my speech, I would like to thank each and every one of you for trusting me, believing in me, and for tolerating me as your Ketua MPP. I would also like to sincerely apologize to each and every one of you if I have ever offended you in any other way. One thing I would want you all to remember is that every ending comes a new beginning. Yes, there will be obstacles along the way, but remember to never give up. Besides, what is life without a rough sailing sea? Graduation today marks our new beginning in the real world. Remember, ora et labora. Pray and work hard. To the teachers, parents and family members, we could never repay your patience and your deeds towards us in words, but promise to make you proud and be the best. Thank you for helping us to exceed our expectations and for wielding us to become a better person. Thank you so much. Dear friends, as we head on to our uni life, getting older and wiser, remember all the good times we have spent in St. Michael, the good and the bad. Because, most of all, remember that we are all in this together. Because once a Michaelian, always